we have run out of filament. Oh my gosh. And we just received our bulk order, massive shipment of filament, almost $300 worth of filament.
Yeah, almost $300, and we have glow-in-the-dark filament.
We have glow-in-the-dark filament mixed in there too. Yeah, and we got some cool ones.
And I want to make a glow-in-the-dark Beyblade.
Glow-in-the-dark Beyblade. That's our plan. We thought this would be a good video just to show you an unboxing of the filament. We'll show you a bunch of the cool kinds that we bought. I think we could clap our hands and get all the boxes out here. 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Look at that.
Look at that.
We got some serious towers of filament.
I want to do something.
Okay. All right. Yep. That's how we unbox our filament. So these smaller boxes are refills. They do not have the spool. And these bigger boxes, they are the filament with the spool included. And that's why they're bigger. So we got a mix of both. And you can see on the front here the colors of them. So it'll be a little hard to tell what they all are when they're in the boxes like this.
Yeah.
So I think we could unbox them.
Yeah. Okay,
we'll clap our hands and magically unbox them all super fast. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at all these filaments.
Look at all these filaments.
I think we'll be able to see them a little bit better without the plastic on them. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we could either do it the long, boring way and take off the plastic from each single one, or clap trick?
Clap trick!
Clap trick. 3, 2, 1.
That didn't work.
That's weird.
That is weird. That didn't work.
Maybe we have to clap louder.
We have to clap louder.
Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Hey, Kebs, we got all this plastic in the way here.
Yeah.
Can we take care of that?
We need some space.
All right. I also noticed that we have like this massive pile
of gel packs.
Of silica gel packs. Hey, what are you thinking about that? Oh.
Sorry about that, guys.
When we show you these filaments, remember which one you like the best.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the video, go into the comments and let us know which one you like the best.
Yeah.
So we can buy more of that filament. All right. So number 1.
All right.
Debs, we'll give you the close-up.
Here it is.
So that is PLA Basic Turquoise.
This doesn't look like PLA Basic. This looks like PLA Orange.
All right. Number 2.
Okay.
You can even stay up there if you like, so you don't have to go back and forth and back and forth.
I want to go back and forth, back and forth.
Get some exercise.
It's so we get extra subscribers, so I'm...
That was PLA Basic Pumpkin Orange.
Yeah.
I'll give you the next one here. That one is PLA Glow, and it is glow green, and it is actually a glow-in-the-dark filament. So that one is glow-in-the-dark. We'll have to try that out. Here's the next one. This one is also PLA Basic, and it is called Cotton Candy Cloud. Cool.
Can we really print like a little cloud out of this?
We most certainly could print a cloud with that, yep. There's the next one. That one's looking cool.
Of the filament, from back here, try and spot, if you have really good eye vision, try and spot like every single little detail on this.
You can try to guess the color name before I read it. It's pretty hard to guess, actually.
Yeah, it is pretty hard to guess.
So that's PLA Silk, and it's called Dawn Radiance. If anybody guess that, I'll be very impressed. Next one. Oh, this one is looking good. Yeah. I love that color.
Look at this awesome poo. Wow!
They could probably guess the color of that one. I'll give you that hint. It's PLA Basic. And the color name is?
Brown.
Brown. It is the most basic of the PLA Basic.
Basic poop.
That is also PLA Basic, another very difficult color name.
I'd be surprised if you guessed it. It is the color red.
You're close. It's actually supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's red. You're right. All right, the next one with spool is PLA Basic Cocoa Brown.
But I don't think you saw it. It's probably good.
There you go. This is PLA Silk, and it is called South Beach. That's a cool one.
It doesn't look like South Beach to me, but okay.
Yeah, I don't know how they got that name, but I like the multicolor. Here's the next one, also with spool. And this one is PLA Silk, and it is Gilded Rose, pink and gold. That's our last one, and that is PLA Glow, and it's Glow Blue. Those are our first glow filaments. We haven't even printed with them yet, so we are excited to try those out. So that is all of our filament. That's about $300 worth of filament. All right, Kebs.
All right.
The moment of truth. We need to reveal what our favorite filaments are.
And I'm gonna be picking 3.
Okay, you can go first. I'll go last.
Okay, so my favorites are the glow-in-the-dark blue, the glow-in-the-dark green, and this one.
Those are good choices. I think my choices might be slightly better, to be honest. My ultimate favorite out of all these filaments is brown.
Straight from poop.
I think the brown is the ultimate. That's the best.
I have 2 ultimate favorites.
Oh, okay. Let's hear your ultimate favorites.
The golden dark green and the golden dark blue.
You just love the glow-in-the-dark filaments.
I just love.
And we'll have to add a little clip in here so that you can see our first glow-in-the-dark print. It's the glow-in-the-dark dragon. He's been printed. And he's flying on his own. So, there you go. You got to see our filament unboxing. We smashed some cardboard, smashed some plastic. Don't forget to drop a comment with the filament color that you like the best.
Yeah.
And subscribe so you don't miss our other videos. And we'll see you in the next one.
And hopefully you remember all the concepts of these.
Yeah. If you have ideas for prints we should do, let us know. Thanks, guys.